Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. 4 habits that damage health without realization. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone over 50. The 4 sneaky habits that can silently sabotage your health. As we age, our bodies and minds undergo significant changes, making it even more important to be aware of our daily routines. You might be surprised to learn that some habits you think are harmless could harm your well-being. First, let's talk about the importance of recognizing these habits. Many people don't realize that seemingly minor lifestyle choices can lead to cognitive decline and affect mental health. For instance, a lack of physical activity can not only impact your physical health but also contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. It's essential to stay active, as regular exercise boosts brain function and enhances mood. Next, we often overlook the role of nutrition. Poor dietary choices can lead to inflammation and other health issues that creep up on us as we age. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is vital for maintaining physical and mental health. Another habit that can sneak up on you is social isolation. It's easy to withdraw from social activities as we age, but this can profoundly impact our mental well-being. Engaging with friends and family is crucial for cognitive health and can help stave off feelings of loneliness. Lastly, let's remember about sleep. Many people underestimate the importance of quality sleep, essential for brain health. Poor sleep can lead to memory issues and cognitive decline, making it vital to prioritize restful nights. So, stick around as we explore these habits in detail and provide practical tips to help you stay healthy and vibrant as you age. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Let's start with habit 1. A sedentary lifestyle. In today's fast-paced world, many sit for prolonged periods, whether at work, during our commutes, or while binge-watching our favorite shows. But did you know that this lack of physical activity can lead to serious health issues? Prolonged sitting is linked to a host of risks, including obesity, heart disease, and even diabetes. When we remain inactive for extended periods, our bodies struggle to regulate blood sugar levels and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. This can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, sitting for too long can weaken our muscles and bones, making us more susceptible to injuries and falls as we age. But the impact of a sedentary lifestyle doesn't stop at physical health. It also takes a toll on our mental well-being and cognitive function. Research shows that inactivity can contribute to feelings of anxiety and depression. When we don't move our bodies, we miss out on the endorphins that exercise releases, essential for boosting our mood. Additionally, a lack of movement can impair cognitive function, leading to memory issues and decreased focus. So, how can we combat this sedentary lifestyle? Here are a few tips to incorporate movement into your daily routine. 1. Set a timer. Use a timer to remind yourself to stand up and stretch or walk around every hour. Even a few minutes of movement can make a difference. 2. Take the stairs. Take the stairs instead of the elevators whenever possible. It's a simple way to increase your heart rate. 3. Walk and talk. If you have phone calls or virtual meetings, consider walking around while you chat. It's a great way to stay active without disrupting your day. 4. Join a class. Look for local exercise classes or community groups that focus on activities you enjoy, whether dancing, yoga, or walking clubs. By making these small changes, you can break free from a sedentary lifestyle and promote better health for years. Now, let's delve into habit 2. Poor nutrition choices. In our busy lives, it's easy to reach for processed foods and sugary snacks, but these unhealthy eating habits can seriously affect our overall health. A diet high in processed foods often means consuming excessive amounts of unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and diabetes. These conditions affect our physical health and diminish our quality of life as we age. One of the most alarming effects of poor nutrition is its impact on brain health. Research has shown that diets rich in refined sugars and unhealthy fats can contribute to cognitive decline and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Fueling our bodies with the proper nutrients supports brain function, enhances memory, and improves mood. Conversely, a poor diet can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which are detrimental to cognitive health. So, how can we make healthier choices? First, consider swapping out processed foods for whole, nutrient-dense options. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, try snacking on fresh fruits, nuts, or yogurt. Incorporating more vegetables into your meals can also make a significant difference. Aim for a colorful plate filled with various veggies to ensure you get a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Meal planning is another effective strategy to promote healthier eating. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals, focusing on balanced options that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Preparing meals in advance can help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy takeout when you're short on time. Making conscious nutrition choices can significantly improve your overall health and well-being, paving the way for a vibrant life as you age. Let's explore habit 3, chronic stress. Stress can often feel like an unavoidable part of our daily routine in our fast-paced lives. However, unmanaged stress can have a profound impact on both our mental and physical health. When we experience chronic stress, our bodies enter a constant state of fight or flight, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While these hormones are helpful in short bursts, prolonged exposure can lead to serious health issues, including high blood pressure, weakened immune function, and digestive problems. The physiological effects of chronic stress don't stop there. Over time, this relentless stress can contribute to anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. Studies have shown that high stress levels can impair memory and decision-making, making it harder to focus and think clearly. This connection between stress management and improved cognitive function is crucial, especially as we age. We can enhance our mental clarity and overall well-being by effectively managing stress. So, how can we combat chronic stress? Here are some effective stress reduction techniques to incorporate into your daily routine. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Consider setting aside just a few minutes daily for meditation or deep breathing exercises. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through the process. 2. Regular exercise. Physical activity is a powerful stress reliever. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Whether walking, swimming, or yoga, find an activity you enjoy to make it easier to stick with. 3. Connect with others. Remember to underestimate the power of social support. Spend time with friends and family or join a community group. Sharing your feelings and experiences can help alleviate stress and foster a sense of belonging. Recognizing and addressing chronic stress can significantly improve your mental and physical health, paving the way for a healthier life as you age. Let's wrap up our discussion with habit 4, neglecting sleep. Sleep often takes a backseat to work, social commitments, and endless to-do lists in our busy lives. However, quality sleep is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being, especially as we age. When we deprive ourselves of adequate rest, the effects can be profound, impacting mental clarity and emotional stability. Sleep deprivation can lead to concentration difficulties, memory lapses, and impaired decision-making. You might need help focusing on tasks, which can be frustrating and counterproductive. Moreover, lack of sleep can heighten emotional responses, making you more susceptible to stress, anxiety, and irritability. This emotional instability can create a vicious cycle, as stress can further disrupt your sleep patterns. The long-term consequences of poor sleep habits are equally concerning. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to severe health issues, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even cognitive decline. As we age, prioritizing sleep becomes even more critical for maintaining physical and mental health. So, how can we improve our sleep hygiene and establish a bedtime routine that promotes restful sleep? Here are some practical tips. 1. Create a sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up simultaneously every day, even on weekends. This consistency helps regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Limit screen time. Reduce screen exposure at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. 3. Establish a relaxing routine. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine that might include reading, gentle stretching, or a warm bath. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down. 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and calm. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to create an ideal sleep environment. By prioritizing quality sleep and implementing these strategies, you can enhance your overall health and well-being and ensure you feel your best as you navigate life's journey. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've covered regarding the 4 habits that can silently damage our health. We've explored how a sedentary lifestyle can lead to severe physical and mental health issues, emphasizing the importance of incorporating movement into our daily routines. We also examined the detrimental effects of poor nutrition choices, highlighting the link between what we eat and our brain health. Next, we delved into the impact of chronic stress, recognizing how unmanaged stress can deteriorate both mental clarity and emotional stability. We shared effective stress reduction techniques to help you regain control and improve your overall well-being. Finally, we discussed the critical role of quality sleep in maintaining health, offering practical tips for enhancing sleep hygiene and establishing a calming bedtime routine. Recognizing and changing these damaging habits is essential for promoting a healthier lifestyle, especially as we age. Making positive changes that significantly enhance your quality of life is always possible. Whether moving more, eating better, managing stress, or prioritizing sleep, every small step counts toward a healthier you. We encourage you to take proactive steps today. Start by choosing one habit to focus on and gradually incorporate healthier practices into your daily life. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and investing in it now will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can create a community focused on health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.